Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter Heat. Now, today discuss about topics. What is meant by evaporation and explain about activity 8. Let's start the class. What is meant by evaporation? The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Evaporation. Okay. The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. This is definition. For example, take a beaker. Okay, this is beaker. After that, with water. Okay, beaker with water. Okay, after that, take a stove. This is stove. Stove. Okay, now fire start. Fire start. After 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, water is a release to water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. This is called evaporation. What is the definition? The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. Explain about activity 8. Question number 8. The rate of evaporation increases with wind speed and explain with the help of the an activity. This is question. Okay, take a cup. This is cup. Okay, after that with spirit. With spirit. Spirit. Fright. This is spirit. Okay, after take 2 petri dishes. This is first one. This is second one. 2 petri dishes. Okay, after that, take a few drops of spirit into petro dishes separately. Okay, first one petro dishes 1 ml spirit. 1 ml petro dishes. Okay, 1 ml spirit. This one also same. 1 ml spirit. Keep one of the dishes containing spirit under a ceiling fan. This is ceiling fan. This is ceiling fan. Okay, and switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. Keep another dish with it is lid closed. Okay, second one, petro dishes lid closed. Lid closed. This is lid. Observe the quantity of spirit in both dishes after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. You will notice that spirit in the first dish that is kept under ceiling fan disappear, and second one, petro dishes not disappear. Why? Lid closed. Lid closed. Okay, reason. First point, if air is blue over the liquid surface in an open fan or petro dish, the number of molecules returned is reduced to a large extent. This is first point, first reason. And second point, this is because any molecules escaping from the surface is blown from the of the liquid. This is second point. And third one, this is increases the rate of evaporation. Evaporation means what? The process changing water to water vapor is called evaporation. Okay, this one, spirit. After 5 minutes disappear. This is called evaporation. This is third reason. And fourth reason, the spirit in petro dish that is kept under ceiling fan evaporates quickly when compared to the kept closed. This is activity 8. Thank you, students. Today I will explain topics, what is meant by evaporation, and explain about activity 8. Okay, after that I will send a PDF file. Write notes. Thank you, students.